Well, how are you, Mr. Hooper?
Morning, Gordon. How are you? Fine.
Thought I'd come pick up a paper.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. It's a beautiful day today, you know that?
Yes.
You ever see the sunshine like that? Oh, it's terrific. Hope for some good news.
Hope so.
Hey, what about this kind of news? New toys, huh?
They are very popular, and I've been selling a lot of them.
Is that right?
Yes.
Good,
yes.
safe, sturdy toys?
Safe is the key word.
Very good. I hope you sell a lot of them.
Thank you.
Have a good day, Mr. Hooper.
Ta-ta.
Sunny day, keeping the frogs away and... Oh! Hello there! Hi! Say, you're new here on Sesame Street, aren't you? Do you live here at Mr. Hooper's store? Bet you do. Say, excuse me. My name is Big Bird. What's your name? Oh, I see. That was rather rude of me, wasn't it? After all, I shouldn't just come out and ask your name. It's embarrassing for someone to just come up and say that. But you are awfully pretty. Yeah, I know how you feel. I'd be impressed, too, if I met a big bird so handsome as I. Say, what beautiful eyes you have. I couldn't think of anything to say either if I were so overwhelmed with such a beautiful bird as I am. And you are rather pretty yourself, I must say. Say, do you like poems? Maybe if I told you a poem, we could get to know each other even better. Maybe I can think of one now. Let me see. Here we go. Even though I've only met you, I'm sure I won't ever forget you. We can share so much together. We're what they call birds of a feather. You like that? Oh, I can see you did. Gee, well, there's more. I'll bet that we could make a nice team. We'd go together like cake and ice cream.